Hello everybody, we're back with another Birchbox, and this obviously is February's, so it's the love edition. So I don't know what's in here. I've literally just took it out the packaging box, the delivery box. So let's just put that aside and not bother looking at it. And I'm going to put this over here and we'll look at things one at a time. Okay, this is the blush. Now we've got to pick our colour for this. I chose Darling Dahlia. Basically because a little girl I love very much is called Dahlia. So I decided that I was going to pick this colour. Doesn't matter what the colour is. Does anybody else do that? Buy things because of the name. Okay, it is really pretty. And it's subtle. I think it would be really hard to go overboard with that. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it is lovely. And it's so my shade. Yeah, I really like that. That's gorgeous. So that is Darling Dahlia. Let's get rid of the rubbish. What is this? Sand and Sky. Pink, Australian pink clay. Flash Perfection exfoliating treatment. Mattify and invigorate. Always patch test before use. Yeah. I like these wee minis for going on holiday, so I'm hoping to gather a few to take on the plane with me when I go away to America. That's one of the really good things about getting miniatures, is they're great for travel. It's very grainy. Do you remember the Après apricot scrub you used to get? It was really grainy. Well, it's a bit like that, only it doesn't smell as nice as what that did. But hey ho, we'll give it a wee try and see what we think of it. What have we got now? Lip mask. Plump and Repair. Made with multi-molecular hyaluronic acid complex, vegan collagen booster, mulberries and wild cherries. Sounds delicious. A skin gel sheet mask made with, all that stuff, to plump and repair the delicate lip area. That might be fun. I'm planning on doing a sheet mask, so I might just throw this in with it and just do a mask night. That's what I'll do. I'll pick up a foot one as well, and I'll do a mask video. Yeah, that's what we'll do. What's this? Amica exfoliating jelly shampoo. Detoxify your scalp with this weekly treatment. The gentle shampoo in an easy jelly consistency uses pink clay and sea salt to deep clean and purify, rebalance and hydrate sensitive and oily scalps. For an extra thorough refresh, use in conjunction with Reset Scalp Cleansing Oil. Interesting. I'm not really one for doing hair treatments, if I'm honest. I don't colour my hair, I don't use a lot of heat in it, so it isn't really that damaged. Oh, that smells divine. Oh my goodness. That smells gorgeous. Yeah, it's a bit scrubby. I'm literally just at the shower. If I'd done this video earlier on like I was going to and I hadn't been so lazy, I might have used that. Oh, that smells beautiful. It smells like something I had years ago, but I can't think what it was. Oh, God, it's so nice. And oh no, it's not. We have Lord & Berry lip liner. Now, what shade is this? Vintage Rose. It's like a kind of nude shade. Yeah, that's my kind of shade. Yep. That'll be getting used. In fact, I'll probably take that with me because it's nice and short. And the last thing we have, Space Masks, Interstellar Relaxation. This little pouch contains a self-heating eye mask which will transport you to another dimension, relieving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The warmth comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully reclined and ready for liftoff. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be having fun with masks. So that will be an eye mask, a lip mask, a face mask and a foot mask. How does that sound? Yeah. So there is our February box. What do you think? I'm really happy with this box. Much happier than what I was with last month's box. And I think the box is also really pretty. Again, it's a drawer, and on the front it's got "with love." So I do really quite like the drawer as well, the box I should say. So there we go. Thank you for watching, and come back again next month.